Namaste सबैजनालाई अनि welcome back to हाम्रो another YouTube video मा आज चाहिँ where Saturday को दिनमा के गर्ने भयो अनि we've come to the beach यो beach को नाम चाहिँ it's called Frinton-on-Sea Colchester तिर पर्छ हाम्रोबाट चाहिँ यो चाहिँ 1 hour 20 लागेको थियो just हाम्रो यो साल beach पनि आएको थिएन so maybe beach जाम यसबाट भनेर जानु आएको I'll show you what it looks like already. This is what it looks like. Here beach मा चाहिँ त्यति धेरै मान्छेहरु छैन. Mostly it's empty. अरु बीचहरु त्यस्तो छैन के रे especially like summer holiday मा पनि यतिको खाली मतलब it's pretty good. भनौं. So this is what it looks like. सबैजना आफ्नो I think your hotter so you can hire. Daga they say Buddha and mom they're walking. You need आफ्नो भएको छ. I don't know if you guys can see because the sun is bright. But, You guys want to say hello? Hello. Hello, Buddha. Hello, mom. We're at the beach. Buddha.
We can sit.
It doesn't look like it's packed. Kada basum na ta. Somewhere here? Yeah, bro. Bariya Daile is carrying everything. I'm just here vlogging. So, oh yeah, Elfie चाहिँ मेरो कामको कलिगले सो भनेको थियो के मलाई जस यो बीचमा जा राम्रो छ अलिक क्वाइट छ अरु बीचहरु भन्दा भनेर. So here we are. So अनि यहाँ चाहिँ I was like, oh, amusement park हरु छ भनेर चाहिँ मैले त्यसलाई त्यसले चाहिँ छैन just some nice beach. खाली छ अनि के रे you have fish and chips are meat upon so one take it. So here we are and it's delay with it's like 3-4 was this here we got food we got the food area we made chatpate aru then we got some kere yeah jani we got some here right hand side yo well, this one's more empty I think right
On the biryani here.
oh yeah
You don't have it. Wait, how much?
was it Bournemouth Beach or kata kata so sedikit kisah found a place yeah we're gonna hamne yahan banauna like hamro sano ghar there it is and here's the view so it's just like compartment ma rahecha sabai तपाईहरुले देख्नु भएको छ कि बसेन this is हाम्रो सानो घर अनि we're gonna go to the beach now बुढा र मम चाहिँ गइसक्नु भएको छ we're walking there अनि यहाँ तल beach अनि माथि चाहिँ मान्छेहरुको त्यो हटहरु that you can hire गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ बच्चाहरु छ the seagull area What's she writing? Looks like bum. Kya bana ke dawle? Oh, it's like bum. Alright, good. She's making a flower here. Lovely. Bye bye. Nice masterpiece. In the beach. How cold is the water? Achoo! Are you gonna go swimming? It's a bit cold. Arsenal.
Water mo na ay sa may.
Oh, gina-state mo. Look. Water. That कति ठुल्ठुलो वेभहरू It's just me and mom now ita. Buddha say kita pendansan no time. This I don't know if you guys can see somewhere up there. He's moving a concrete. How can I Buddha? Concrete. Diri ay nada. So Buddha na yun asa. Where did Buddha go now? Buddha to come back so we can eat. Kya pa ita bale?
Yes, so.
What is it? Half? I found this earlier.
Yes.
Let's find more. Yeah, go in. Tupon. Pani खाना है. Bagay din. So let's say me and mom were in a hunt of shisha laru. So mom's over there and I'm over here when I'm looking at cozy some trying to find pretty ones set up so garo there is but yeah it's waiting for us. So and your mom somebody's up ramra is there looking for it. Here's our picnic food. We got some chatpate here. Mix then we got some Tesco meal deal. Meal deal for snacks are there. Then I've got some watermelon drinks. Got some chips and drinks. That's it. Just sitting here now. It's the view. We're gonna enjoy now. Right, that's what it is. Wow, that looks like a boot. Look at this. Got a bit of nuts. I think it's I'm a bit hungry. Paano may kilita buklong? Sige. So we're gonna eat now. I am so hungry now. Once Buddha comes, we'll eat. A Fanta Sprite. So what do you get in sir? A lemon tea is actually. We have some lemon tea. The chatpati looks lovely. Oh yeah, lagi ke shell lalu dekan pa rin. Lagi ka lagi shell lalu ya. So some here. Shells. Let's open this up. Baka rin sila gamay. Wow! Oh, that looks so banging. Bukla rin niya lang. Yum! Okay, once Buddha comes, we'll eat. Yeah. Yeah! Oh, where did you come from? Well done. Come, let's eat. Bukla ya bata. Come. Cheers! Everybody's got a drink. Bottom up. Sobre teman sila Arsenal official lah. Sige, kita kita lihat Arsenal galate. Arsenal fans everywhere. This is from Lidl. Yeah, kind of mambo. Huh? Tortilla chips. I couldn't find Doritos there, so but this might be nice. Yum. One back with the camera.
Anyway.
चटपटे पहिला खानु उठ्छ चटपटे मिठो हो त nice dry picnic one for you guys mom's found her friend she's gonna join them with किन मान्छेहरु त कति सरिसक्यो दुई तीनचोटि सरी होला पानी माथि माथि आएर we're just here we found our safe spot having oh my god look like a ghost having watermelon we've demolished our chatpate it's lovely it's so good it's like double good oh yeah here we are and watermelon look at the wave a little strong also like ASMR ni bura yo sunar sutna pae ni sutni bhai kati majako nindra aunthyo होला tonight we're gonna be playing that game Isabelka me and Buddha found this game on the PS5 so it's a cooking game and at first like hadi ganda ta the game kasari khelcha त्यसमै हात time गयो but once we found out the game ko bare ma kasari khelni हामी दुईजना चाहिँ we're up till 3 in the morning playing the game it was quite fun and I बुढाले he said oh let's sleep now भनेर सुतिहाल्यो नभए त म त बिहान त मै खेल्ने थिएँ होला त्यो गेम स्टार्टिङ खेल्ने but I kept losing म हारेको गरेको थिएँ so yeah, the winner is किन त्यसले क्वाका कराएन तपाईको लागि minutes later हामीले सबै यो रेडी गरिसक्यो प्याक अप गरिसक्यो अनि हेर्नु न साइड साइडकोहरु पनि सबै खाली भइसक्यो सबैजना गएर पानी चाहिँ अलि माथि आछ you can see अलि माथि आछ अघि नै उता टाढै थियो नि हामी आउने बेला हामी टाढै बसेको थियो यता अहिले त कति छिटो माथि माथि आउँदैछ पानी अब चाहिँ हामी एकछिन प्याकअप गरेर यो एरिया हेरौँ हिँड्न जाम भनेर हामी गएको भरिया दाइ सेट भरिया दाइ भनेको न ठिकै छ म बोक्छु yeah look how pretty it looks yeah hey we'll come back and then we'll go for a walk do you recommend this place to everyone Buddha it's actually quite nice हामीले यतिकै भनेको नि भिडियोको लागि मात्र भनेको नि हैन के लाइक सबैजना राम्रो बीचको लागि खोजिराख्नु भएको छ भने चाहिँ यसमा आउनुस् किनभने हेर्नु न लाइक आफ्नो कम्पार्टमेन्ट हुँदो रहेछ कोही ठाउँमा
there's so much
yeah पार्किङहरु नि यही बीचकै माथि नि छ सो अघि हामी स्टेसनतिर पगन लाग्थ्यो no but that's what Google said I didn't know okay माथि जाम let's go I probably look like a booth right now कपाल बर्र भइजान्छ कि यहाँ आयो भने चाहिँ so I'm gonna show you guys माथिको भ्यू है त bless you I'll show you guys the माथिको view अनि I guess it was a very successful trip भनौँ I'll show you yeah, माथिको His mom still filming her videos यहाँ माथिको view न कस्तो राम्रो देखेको I'm gonna show you guys आजको OOTD if you guys can hear me There it is. And then show me your bag. Excuse me. Costco bag. Oh, my bag. बजुले दिनुभएको bag यो हामी अस्ति नै हङकङ जाने बेला जरा बजुले चाहिँ वेलकम गर्नको लागि किनिदिनु भएको थियो and it's a perfect beach bag अनि मैले कहिले चलाम भनिरहेको थिएँ but I'm gonna try this mom
अहिले त चिसो भयो मैले लानु पर्यो मेरो ब्याग चाहिँ तर के
anyways अब चाहिँ हामी we're gonna go to गाडी अनि गाडीमा गएर we're gonna keep someone and we're gonna come back but the view from up here is शीतल though I like this त्यति साह्रो जाडो भन्नु मिल्दैन यसलाई कस्तो मजाको हेर्नु न अनि कति धेरै आफ्नो कम्पार्टमेन्टहरु छ के दोकानहरू छ भने त तपाईँलाई किनिदिन्छ नि भयो No, but there is some place fish and chipsहरू पाउने अनि क्याफहरू छ भन्थ्यो कि अनलेस बन्द भयो. Okay, we'll have a look. But yeah, looks so nice. And look at the खाली छ. Like आफै मात्र आयो जस्तो. हाम्रो चाहिँ भर्खरै गाडीमा सामान राख्यो. But यो सबै खपाकाहरू उतैसम्म छ यताबाट लिएर जस खपाकाहरू चाहिँ थुप्रै छ यही मेनमै कपाक भएपछि चाहिँ निस्किने बित्तिकै चाहिँ हियर इट इज हामी चाहिँ यहाँ भर्खरै सामान राखेर देखाऊँ न त फ्रम द मेन एन्ट्रेन्स कसरी जान्छ कति टाढा छ गाडी चाहिँ धेरै हिँड्नु पर्दैन त्यो सामानहरू हाम्रो त्यहीँ राखिहाल्यो अनि द बिच इज राइट देयर यु गाइज क्यान माथि बसेर बस्नुहुन्छ भने पनि माथि बस्ने ठाउँ छ या देयर लाइक केयरफुल हुने यो बाटोमा चाहिँ भने अलि यता आएपछि छ है यु क्यान सी Look at that, the kid is literally floating with the wave in it. Or that kid, I don't know. But anyways, they're right there. Thank you. Okay, there's someone that jump at here.
Yeah, we can come back before September.
I like this beach. I definitely recommend. Other than the other beach, I'll recommend this one. Honest, it's really nice. And it's like, here, sir.
How far?
Can't you, Colchester पर्छ के so maybe 1 hour 30 or 3 घण्टा पर्छ होला same put it here yeah there's some toilets as well अघि नै बुढा चाहिँ what happened to the toilet story बुढा you couldn't find the one नजिकै
Oh, it's 25p and I don't have 25p.
Oh, that's why. Oh yeah, so if you guys want the नजिकै toilet then bring 25p मलाई पनि थाहा थिएन
25p, man.
because we don't care अघि त थाहा भएन नि
I don't think
contactless
there's
है ना
contact. And they said Marty side, and I couldn't find it. I was like, well,
should have found a bush पानी हारे हैन ल it's like all the way यही माथिसम्म यहाँ छ अहिले
where's in it?
yeah hello hello little friend
It's 1 hour only.
but it's nice though like मजाको हावा छ अहिले चाहिँ
Where's it?
yeah
Nature.
and it's more stronger right the waves are more stronger now
Yeah, it's somewhere onto the rat rain. Then in the morning.
this moon look at the sky Buddha look at the clouds damn supervision some people want it all. But you match with this house you should go and stand there we're going back in the pani यहीसम्म आछ राति हुँदा चाहिँ माथिसम्म आउँदो रहेछ बढ्दै बढ्दै जान्छ न पानी हामी त्यहाँबाट we're coming back now so we're gonna go back to हाम्रो गाडीसम्म this Buddha mom
But I was like, how are they going to
Titanic
She was standing over. Even
oh no don't no Pino that is very risky business here boy don't do it no so अब चाहिँ हामी let's see यतातिर के छ अब धेरै छैन होला कि अघिको पुरा look the rafting bird so चाहिँ we might बाने छ होला त्यो त यहाँतिर कफी चिया बेच्ने ठाउँ भए त बिक्ने थियो होला है त्यसमै like I mean अलि माथि छ होला हाम्रो नजिक नि हो but be nice in बुढा but yeah it looks like अहिले there isn't much people above अनि हामी हामी माथि छ but it looks very nice it's a lovely weather here
so it's like,
for us anyway mom नहिँड्ने मान्छेलाई चाहिँ She wants coffee. She wants coffee? अघि घरबाट कफी लिएर पर्दो रहेछ है साथै कफी
a lot of people around.
फेरि दिउँसो त घाम बसेको in a way like यहाँ त चिसै हुन्छ but not that चिसो ठिकै छ I will update you guys about एकछिनमा त के हुन्छ yeah, right now the weather is lovely
What
for
color
us
will you use?
pink no question asked this would be mine pink and white perfect the blue and white doesn't look bad pink
Nepal color.
रातो र नीलो अनि सेतो Is she doing Titanic here? तब Titanic गर्न लाग्यो यहाँ Where is she going? Done. Where are you going? Mom के जुन बाबु नजा भन्दै she's following बाबु नजा भनेछ अनि आफूले फलो गर्दै गएछ त तपाईसँगै ल जानु तपाईहरु म त यहाँबाट हेर्छु है त Oh my god, looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys can hear me. They've gone now, totally. Bye. But has found a spot to wash his kuta. Sapa your gar and your bintanga you're matching. Now the toilet so public toilet. Ketako eta, ketiko eta. So toilet is right here. पानी हेर्न यहीँसम्म आछ पौडी खेल्ने मान्छेहरू त खेलिराखेको छ उता there's like 2 जना over there still पौडी खेलिराखेको छ but कस्तो लाग्यो बीच यो बीच
राम्रो छ है नानीहरू पनि
yeah right this beach is nice मैले राम्रो छ yeah
के अरे कोही कोही ठाउँमा त के नि खुट्टाहरू दुखेर है जानै सक्दैन
लाइक पिकनिकहरू खाने बेला हुन्छ नि यो बीचमा
पार्टी
चाहिँ
गर्ला
यो बीचमा चाहिँ त्यो के भन्छ लाइक स्यान्डहरू चाहिँ नआउने के मजाले
That one is looking for like gold.
ए त्यो मेटल डिटेक्टरले
कम्फर्टेबल भइछ
Can you find?
बच्चाहरू आएन पनि कति राम्रो के खुट्टाहरूमा केही
अनि सेक्सनले डिपट छुट्टा छ नि सो लाइक आफ्नो प्राइभेट टाइपको के भयो नि इट्स गुड मान्छे इज लभिङ द जब एन्ड काम त होइन यसको
Good business.
मान्छेहरू घर गएपछि चाहिँ के छोडेछ कि कोही त आउँछ हराउँछ नि त्यसले चाहिँ त्यो मेटलहरू पायो भने के पायो भने के कराउँछ कि अनि ट्याप फुटाल्ने अनि के छ हेर्ने के
So, farm on this one. Lama June.
उताको चाहिँ माथि आइसकिरहेछ अघि हामी बसेको चाहिँ उतातिर बसेको नि त हामी यहाँ चाहिँ स्टिल आएको छैन सो उताबाट आउँदै यता नि आउँदैछ बिस्तारै बिस्तारै त्यहाँ चाहिँ आइसक्यो अघि हाम्रो उता हो नि त त्यहाँ त आसेन अहिले आउँदैछ यहाँबाट माथि जाने सो हामी चाहिँ अहिले त्यहाँ बिचबाट यहाँ हिँड्दै आएको लाइक 5 minutes वक बिचबाट अनि यहाँको यो टाउन सेन्टर हेर्न जाऊँ न त कस्तो रहेछ भनेको बट गोरा टाउन भएर होला धेरै जस्तो सबै बन्द भइसकेको छ मान्छेहरू सुतिसक्यो होला यहाँ हामी चाहिँ खासमा कफीहरू चियाहरू पाउँछ कि भनेर हेर्नु आएको doesn't look like it looks like everything is closed oh यहाँ यो खुला रहेछ बस रेस्टुरेन्ट अघि भरि खाएर होला भोक त लाग्छ र न त हङ्ग्री हेरौँ धेरै जस्तो दोकान चाहिँ बन्द भइसक्यो स्याटरडे भए पनि everything is closed
बिचमा हेरेको थिएँ नि
यो घरहरू के
यिनीहरू घरहरू थियो नि यस्तो 36,000
कति महँगो
It's
किन्ने के
That's crazy.
that is
I don't know.
expensive 30,000 यतिको पनि
That's smart, isn't it?
वो चाहिँ फेरि we're back where we were अघि यहाँ चाहिँ कार पार्क छ अब चाहिँ यहाँ mom really wants to do the Titanic scene so she wants to do it okay so I just want to show you guys your last view actually before we go it looks so pretty अनि हावा नि कस्तो मजाको आइराखेको छ and this mom's still trying to fly with this wind yeah it's flying alright अब चाहिँ हामी we're gonna go back के अरे त्यहाँ एकछिन घुम्यो दोकानहरू त धेरै खुला नरहेछ so what we're gonna do is घरतिर जाने बेला चाहिँ we're gonna have fish and chips यहाँतिर खाने भनेर चाहिँ अब यहीँबाट फर्किनु भनेको दोकानहरू नि केही खुलै थिएन I'm not sure यहाँको गोराहरूको 4 बजे बन्द हुँदो रहेछ धेरै जस्तो दोकानहरू चाहिँ so we learned our lesson next time आउने बेला चाहिँ अलिक छिटै आउँछ but anyways अब चाहिँ हामी घरतिर जान्छौँ अनि we're just gonna have Fish and chips. Yeah, it's quite fun. And we made TikTok stories, so keep an eye out. Hopefully, I didn't actually take much because yeah, internet टिप्दैन. So गीतहरू पहिल्यै लोड गरेर आउनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ यहाँ चाहिँ इन्टरनेट एकदमै रबिश crap internet. But anyways, अब चाहिँ हामी घरतिर जान्छौँ, so घरै गएर भेटौँ है त. See you in a bit. Going home. अनि यहाँ McDonald देख्यो. So we're gonna have coffee. यहाँबाट कफी किन्नु पर्यो. अनि यहाँको लाइन कति लामो थियो. So we just parked यो उसमा के भन्छ यसलाई petrol station ma. So we're gonna go in. We're gonna get some coffee. We're gonna get some coffee now and घर जानु पर्यो. We just thought maybe तातो खाम किनभने यहाँ अब पानीमा खेल्यो चिसो लाग्छ कि भनेर चाहिँ we came to get तातो तातो chara coffee. Right. In a bit, guys. A few hours later, and that's when we got home. I'm going to do this. It's that we go 10:40 right now, and then we ordered some fish and chips. This looks must be no good. We ordered cod boxes. Damn. Let's unbox it together. Let me show it to you guys. Ordered from the Codfather. 3, 2, 1. Damn, it's huge. And it comes with mushy peas, curry sauce, tartar sauce. And, oh my god, got it to the bone that is. Means we got our food. Alrighty, we're gonna enjoy our fish and chips now. Last summer video is at the and I wish you all had a good weekend as well. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.